Now, in this video, we're going to take up one more problem. A bar 20 mm diameter and fixed at capital A is stretched with a force of 10 kilonewton to bring it to support B and fixed it. The temperature equals 27 degrees centigrade and the length AB will be equal to 2 meters. Determine the temperature at which the stress will be 0. Also, determine the stress in the bar if the temperature rises to 40 degrees centigrade and number 2, 50 degrees centigrade. If E, 200 GPa and alpha, 12 into 10 to the power of minus 6 per degree centigrade. So here, this is a 20 mm diameter bar which is fixed at A, is stretched with a force, that means you are acting a tensile force of 10 kilonewton, that is P is equal to 10 kilonewton to bring the support B and fixed it. So that is how it will going to take. Let us see how it will going to be worked out, how we will be able to solve this problem. So what is the diameter? The diameter is 20 mm, length is 2000 mm, and then E, 200 GPa, that is equal to 200 into 10 to the power of 3 Newton per mm square. What is the room temperature? The room temperature is 27 degrees centigrade and P, which is equal to 10 kilonewton, which is 10 into 10 to the power of 3 Newton. So what is the stress due to applied force? That is sigma is equal to P by A, which is equal to 10 into 10 to the power of 3 divided by pi into 20 square by 4. That is the area of cross section. So that will be equal to 31.83 Newton per mm square. So elongation due to this load. So as it is stretching, so delta L will be equal to P into L by A into E, which is equal to sigma into L by A into E, which will be 31.83 into length of the bar is 2000 divided by 200 into 10 to the power of 3, which will be equal to 0.318 mm. So that is the total elongation what you will going to get when it is stretched and to fixed at the point B. Now, free expansion due to temperature rise. So this is the manually what when you are doing. When you want to increase this temperature due to temperature rise, that is alpha into T into L. So what is alpha? So what is the free expansion due to temperature rise? That the length will be 0.318 because that is the one elongation what we have found out. What is the coefficient of thermal expansion? That is 12 into 10 to the power of minus 6. So when you are applying the force and we are taking that. So when you are to move that elongation of 0.318, how much temperature is required? So that is what it means here into T into 2000. So temperature is required is 13.26 per degree centigrade. So that means 13.26 degrees centigrade. So that means when the temperature is heated up to 13.26, that elongation will going to have that the 0.318 mm which will going to be moved. So that it will going to fix at the point B. So temperature at which the stress will be zero, become zero. At what temperature you will going to be, the temperature will going to become zero. So that means that is the difference in temperature, that is 27 plus 13.26. So that will be where you will going to get the stress will going to be zero. That means until that particular point you will not be able to get any stress, because beyond that it will going to be able to start getting it. So 27 plus 13.26, which will be 40.26 degrees centigrade. Now, when the temperature is 40 degrees centigrade, what is the temperature rise? That is T will be equal to 40 minus 27, which will be 13 degrees centigrade. So what is the temperature stress? Sigma T will be equal to alpha into T into E. That will be its temperature stress, because stress by strain is equal to Young's modulus. So that means 12 into 10 to the power of minus 6 into 13 into Young's modulus is 200 into 10 to the power of 3, which will be equal to 31.2 Newton per mm square, which is compressive in nature because it's fixed at the support B. So what is the net stress in the bar? The net stress in the bar will be equal to sigma plus sigma T, which will be equal to 31.83 minus 31.2. So because it is a compressive stress, so naturally you will going to get it as 0.63 Newton per mm square, which is tensile. So when the temperature is at 50 degrees centigrade, what is the temperature rise? T will be equal to 50 minus 27, which will be 23 degrees centigrade. Temperature stress sigma T will be equal to again alpha into T into E, which will be equal to 12 into 10 to the power of minus 6 into 23 into 200 into 10 to the power of 3. On simplification, you will going to get it as 55.2 Newton per mm square, where again it is compressive. So what is the net stress in the bar? Sigma plus sigma T, again that is sigma is 31.83 minus 55.2. So you're going to get a negative value, that is 23.37 Newton per mm square. So it will be compressive in nature. So this is how you will be able to solve this particular problem. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.